Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.
Kami dari kelompok 5 akan mempresentasikan tentang descriptive text.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Radin Rabani, absen 13.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Fikri Ibrahim, absen 15.
Perkenalkan, nama saya Muhammad Dimas Aditya, absen 14.
Di sini saya akan menjelaskan definition of descriptive text. Descriptive text is a text whose main idea is developed by being clearly described of developed. In other sense, the descriptive text can be interpreted as a paragraph that clearly describes the event, object, or place in the reading which is the topic of the reader. The purpose is to describe and reveal of particular person, place, or things. Jadi descriptive text ini menjelaskan atau menggambarkan suatu objek atau apapun itu benda secara terperinci dan detail kepada pembacanya. Next.
Next, di sini saya akan membacakan tentang generic structure of descriptive text. When writing descriptive text, there are some generic structure of a writing to be true. The arrangement is, saat menulis teks deskriptif, ada beberapa struktur umum agar tulisan kita menjadi benar. Di antaranya, first, identification atau identifikasi. This section located is the first paragraph. The purpose of identify an object that you want to describe. Identification serves to introduce to readers about the object that we will explain before we describe more detail about the object in the next paragraph. Artinya, bagian ini terletak di paragraf pertama. Tujuannya untuk mengidentifikasikan objek yang Anda ingin gambarkan. Identifikasi ini berfungsi untuk memperkenalkan kepada pembaca tentang objek yang akan kita jelaskan sebelum kita uraikan lebih detail. Yang kedua, description. In this session, our other begins in create description in session that will be discussed in the next. By making this explanation, the object is the topic can be written usually so that it's easily understand by the reader. Artinya, deskripsi. Pada bagian ini, penulis mulai membuat deskripsi atau bagian yang akan dibahas dalam teks. Dengan dibuatnya dan penjelasan tersebut, maka objek pada topik dapat ditulis dengan mudah, sehingga mudah dipahami oleh pembaca. Next.
Lalu ada language feature of descriptive text. Ada 5 language feature descriptive text. Yang pertama ada specific participant has a certain object it is not common and unique. For example, Pangandaran Beach, My House, Borobudur Temple, and Uncle Roger. Jadi ini tuh hanya objeknya tuh gak common sama unik cuman ada satu. Lalu ada simple present tense, use the first form of the verb to describe the object. For example, the color of my bedroom is blue. Jadi pakai kata kerja bentuk satu untuk menjelaskan objek tersebut. Lalu ada adjective. Adjectives are used to describe nouns. For example, a beautiful beach atau tree, a big house. Adjectives itu artinya kata sifat untuk menjelaskan objek tersebut. Lalu ada action verb, verbs that show an activity. For example, run, sleep, walk, and cut. Jadi kata kerja yang menunjukkan suatu kegiatan. Lalu ada figurative language. Uses figurative language such as metaphors to illustrate something, usually the nature of objects. For example, Snow White's hair is black as ebony, skin as white as snow. Jadi menggunakan bahasa figuratif untuk mengilustrasi sesuatu, menggambarkan sesuatu dengan detail.
Dan di sini ada contoh teks deskripsinya sama ntar ada soalnya. Ini contoh teks deskripsinya yaitu judulnya The Elephants. The elephants are herbivores and eat all type of vegetation such as grass, leaf, and fruits. They have almost hairless skin, 4 legs, and distinctive long, flexible, premisling trunk. The elephant, which is also known as the largest of all land mammals, usually live in groups consisting of an adult female elephant as the leader of the group, their children, and their relative female elephants. The elephants also have very snap auditory because they have big and wide ears. By these ears, they can hear sounds from a distance about 10 kilometers. At the back of the ears, they have one of the softest part of their body, which is called the nuki. In a zoo, mahots or elephant trainers use their feel to treat or give command to the animal via the knuckle. Now they are a kind of protected animals because their population remains little in their habitat. Their population began to decline year by year. Di sini ada contoh soalnya. Number 1 is who leads the herd of elephant? A. Adult female. B. Sun. C. Adult female. D. Daughter. Jawabannya C. Adult female. Number 2. Elephant trainer is also called A. Keeper. B. Mahout. C. Tamer. D. Handler. Jawabannya B. Mahout. Number 3. Elephant are included in the animal group A. Herbivore. B. Carnivore. C. Omnivore. D. Insecta. Jawabannya A. Herbivore. Number 4. The largest land mammals on Earth is A. Blue whale. C. Bear. B. Bear. C. Tiger. D. Elephant. Jawabannya D. Elephant. Number 5. What is one of the uniqueness of elephant but not other animals? A. 4 leg. B. Have a large body. C. Have ivory. D. Live in group. Jawabannya C. Have ivory. Number 6. With someone contains an adjective. Sentence. A. The elephant are herbivores and eat all type of vegetation such as grasses, leaves, and fruits. B. They have almost hairless skin, 4 legs, and a distinctive, long, flexible, prehensile trunk. C. By their ears, they can hear sound from a distance about 10 kilometers. D. In a zoo, mahots or elephant trainers use their feet to steer and give commands to the animal via the knuckle. Jawabannya B. They have almost hairless skin, 4 legs, and a distinctive, long, flexible, prehensile trunk. Number 7. Which sentence contains an action verb? A. The elephant are herbivores and eat all type of vegetation such as grass, leaf, and fruits. B. They have almost hairless skin, 4 legs, and a distinctive, long, flexible, prehensile trunk. C. The elephant, which is also known as the largest of all land mammals because their population remains little in their habitat. Jawabannya A. The elephant are herbivore and eat all type of vegetation such as grass, leaf, and fruits. Next.
Number 8, the following statement which are character of the script text are A. Narrative, B. Using example, fact, map, image, and figures. C. Contains evidence and truth. D. The fiction is carried out in a clear way by involving sense impression. Jawabannya yang D. The fiction is carried out in a clear way by involving sense impression. Ini ada teks untuk soal selanjutnya. Balai Kambang is a small village in the southern coast of East Java, 7 kilometers from Malang town and 2 hours drive from south. It is well known for its long, beautiful, white sandy beach, as well as the similarity of its temple to the one of Tanah Lot in Bali. In Balai Kambang, there are 3 small rocky islands, namely Ismaya Island, Wisangni Island, and Anoman Island. These names are taken from wayang figures or traditional or Java traditional puppets. Their islands are surrounded by Indonesian Ocean, which hug waves frighten most overseas cruises. Number 9. What makes Balai Kambang famous? A. Small rocky island. B. Long beautiful beach. C. Hug waves of ocean. D. Overseas cruisers. Jawabannya yang B. Long beautiful beach. Number 10. What is the main idea of the second paragraph? A. There are 3 rocky islands in Balai Kambang. B. Hug waves frighten many overseas cruisers. C. Names of rocky island are taken from wayang figures. D. The rocky island are the middle of the sea. Jawabannya yang A. There are 3 rocky island in Balai Kambang. Number 11, which of the following statement is not true about Balai Kambang? A. Balai Kambang is 7 kilometers from Malang and 2 hours drive from south. B. is well known from its long, beautiful, wet sandy beach, as well as the similarity of its temple to the Tanah Lot in Bali. C. In Balai Kambang, there are 3 small rocky islands, namely Ismaya Island, Wisangni Island, and Anoman Island. D. These islands are surrounded by Indonesian Ocean, which hug waves frighten most overseas cruises. Jawabannya yang A. Balai Kambang is 7 kilometers from Malang and 2 hours drive from south. Ada teks lagi untuk soal selanjutnya ya. Mila is my pet. He is my lovely cat. I found him in front of my house. Though he is not a precise cat, I love him so much. Mila has long whiskers and green eyes. He is orange with 2 gradations of colors. He is not fat, thug. He eats a lot because he is very active. He likes to play with balls, but his favorite toy is ball of yarn. He likes to roll it and then catch it. Once he catches it, he throws it from one of his front paws to the other one. At night, he always sleeps with me. Number 12. How many gradations of color does the cat have? A. 1, B. 2, C. 4, D. 3. Jawabannya yang B. 2. 13. What does Milo do if he catches the yarn? A. He eats it. B. He kick it. C. He throw it. D. He gets us on the yarn. Jawabannya yang C. He throw it. 14. What is the text about? A. Instruction to have a cat. B. A description of cats in general. C. A description of the rights of cat. D. A story about a cat's adventure. Jawabannya yang C. Description of the rights cat. Number 15. What does the word precious mean? Cheap, B. Expensive, C. Reasonable, D. Economical. Jawabannya yang B. Expensive.
Jadi ada teks lagi buat pertanyaan selanjutnya. Whales are sea-living mammals. They therefore breathe air but cannot survive on land. Some species are very large indeed, and the blue whale. which can exceed 30-meter length, is the largest animal which lives on Earth. Superficially, the whale looks rather like a fish, but there are more important differences in its external surfaces. Its tail consists of a pair of broad, flat horizontal pedals, and it has a single nostril on top of its broad head. The skin is smooth and shiny, and beneath it lies a layer of flat blubber. This is up to 30 meters in thickness and serves to conserve heat and body fluids. Number 16, what is the text about? A, sea living mammals. B, the description of mammals. C, the difference between whales and fish. And D, whales. The answer is D, whales. Number 17, the length of the whale is A, is generally more than 30 meters. B, may be more than 30 meters. C, is less than 30 meters. D, ranges from 30 meters to more than 30 meters. The answer is B, may be more than 30 meters. Number 18, sentence one is A, talent orientation. B, poses a thesis. C, shows an abstract. And D, gives a general classification. The answer is D, give a general classification. What type of text is used by the writer? A, narrative. B, report. C, recount. D, news item. The answer is B, report. 20, to tell the factual information, the writer uses A, passive voice. B, direct speech. C, simple past tense. D, simple present tense. The answer is D, simple present tense. That's it from us. We are sorry if we made a mistake. And thank you for watching our presentation.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.